Hello everyone, today I'm going to show how I make my eyebrows and upper lip wax and threading. Samal testle and threading of her sense sina three kabuda mikuse no tay ani waxing the threading iga ani keziran so the channel is sawaina raw ni subscribe share tempo majuruchi. Yeah, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Take care. Now take the wax strips and cut a very thin, like this much. You can see. You cut maybe around 6 of them. Truks to brakang truks mikukwala. This much you can cut also. This is for upper lip a little thicker, and this is for eyebrows. As you can see, my eyebrows is grown too much now. Okay. Yeah, I've grown especially for you all to show how I do my eyebrows. Yeah. You can also the Miku design has the runs a thing with himself. Then you get don't wallet and the hangu chime. I'm going to see on the mirror mobile. I've taken this one. This is for manicure. Eyebrows, you need to take this one and then apply on your eyebrows. Mikula chidira in the chinera shingani. Side chicken is in very shallow. Take the strip. It's really easy. Hold it tight, stretch the skin. Wow! Yay, you can see. I've grown so much, almost 2 months. Very little here. This mango chamber there. You should not do too much because the eye area is very delicate area. So don't do it too much. Once or twice is enough. This is the last attempt. Then stretch your skin like this. Yeah, you can see. Whoa. The remaining you can pluck with your plucker or threading. Now the upper part. Upper part. I'm doing upper part now. The gun is changed that. You know that I went to the interview like this, and I was thinking I have to show eyebrow because few of my friends asked me how you do your eyebrows, so I wanted to show to them, and then I went to my interview like this and then I got the job. I was a little scared because I'm working in a beauty industry and my eyebrows is not done. What's she gonna think? 가지가 미국에 니끼기 와라 인치를 좀 봐. 미삼사 하상을 뒤에 이제 맞으면 내가 초라하니 미국에 하고 쓰면 이제 삼나 차리 선사 내가 맞으면 내가 봐서. 에이, 내가 싸우지 그때 전신 봐. Yay! After so many weeks, almost a month, I did my eyebrows. Now the other side. I tried to do a sugaring with the hands, but it was not easy to do looking at the camera and then doing it myself, because when I'm not shooting I can do myself. I used to do that way, sugaring, a Brazilian wax or whatever you call it. We used to call it Brazilian wax before for this shooting. So I'm gonna do this remaining part. Don't apply full if you are new, you know, if you don't have any experience. Please don't apply full. Do it half, so for you it'll be easy. Now take this trick for eyebrows. And the skin has to be pulled and stretched. Good. Yay! Another half. Another half. This way. And then we just like that. Sometimes you have to be very careful with your eyebrows. You can go deeper, so be careful with your. I'm gonna wipe it later. Now the upper part. Don't forget to powder it like this way. This stick is a manicure, which we do a push-up. For the wood one, you can use this one. This is really good. And center. Let me do the first up one. Upper part, dinge lagang di chira. Yep. Fold it. And I just, yeah. Always put double the direction of your hair growth. The remaining I'm going to do a threading. I'll show you how I do threading. Let's wipe with the warm water. Now it's the upper lip. Upper lip. Apply like this. Take a thicker wax strip, as you can see. Feel the air in your mouth. I don't have hair. I'm just showing you. time. The remaining part, take another strip. Then again, press it nicely. Fill the air. Ooh. I think I have a very small hair, I think. And this one, center. Center have all the screws like this way. Apply it downward and pull it upward. So, like this. And press it. The skin has to be stretched. Not keep your skin loose, okay? Keep it tight. Yeah. Yeah, fertig. Finish. Wipe with a hot towel. And use a toner. My homemade toner. You can use a rose water or whatever you like. Now take a thread and fold it like this way. Okay. And here they say 5. The hair has to be inside this. So now I don't have much hair, but I'm just want to show you how I do. Like if you have a hat like this, a very small one, just pull like this. Whoa, it's coming out. See this in there. This you have to do. So, and then the other side you need to do like this. Put a powder. If you have somebody to hold you, it will be much better and easier. If somebody is holding you, I want it to be more natural, so I'm not going to take out too much. It will look very artificial, so I don't like. It has to be more natural. Yeah, now it's done. My eyebrows look so clean. You can see. Hope you like this video, and if you have any question, write down in the comment section below. Casey down the tour and nani the tour tina do it. The wall comment section on the tour tina do it. Okay then, see you and sang malo to new yung it. There by you get all this summer call in your mirror, somebody they will want to share and in the video somebody to and around the gelatin to work. I have given the link here and also in the description box.